How to split pages in RTF template. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to split pages in RTF template using Forensics Document Splitter software. To install the Forensics Document Splitter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool allows the user to split RTF files into smaller segments and provide the user with variety of other document selection options, such as DOC, DOCX, DOCM, PDF, and many more. Let's select RTF option for this tutorial. It further allows the user with Choose Files or Choose Folders option. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing RTF files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of selected folder or folders containing RTF files will appear on the left. Click on any folder to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the RTF files, and here you can view the number of files within the folder. The contents of the RTF files can be previewed on the panel on the right. User can switch between the pages from the arrow keys available on top of Preview panel. This tool also enables the user to search for a particular RTF file. Click on Export button and select Split option. Location bar allows the user to select the destination path for the split RTF files. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Select or deselect it using the button next to it. Open Folder after export is done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Select or deselect it using the button next to it. This tool provides users with filter options to specify the split process. Split by page option will create separate files for each pages. Split by size option will split files into smaller segments based on the specified maximum file size. Advanced split option allows the user to split particular pages from within a RTF file. User can select or deselect RTF files for split using the checkbox, or you can enter page numbers to split specific pages. After selecting the desired filters, it's time for the split process. To start the split process, click on Save button, and split process will start. Shortly, a new window will appear on screen showing the destination folder. Open the folder to proceed. And here you have your newly split RTF files. Click Open any file to view the output. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.